evyAI is a sales assistant that will enhance your online presence. It's a Chrome extension and a web app that supports your sales activities. We have access to 280 million email addresses and phone numbers. And that is how you close a deal. Boom. Another deal closed. So I just click a button and then AI goes ahead and does the research. I click another button, I can deploy another AI. And what this does is it'll go ahead and look up this person in hundreds of different websites and pull together information about their summary, information about their target market, information about the key services that they provide. And then based on that, I spent 30 seconds writing an intro, a summary, an email draft, conversation starters, basically everything I need to be successful with reaching out to this person in a meaningful way. The software wrote the words and the software wrote the image.
What's the AI behind this?
We use all the AIs. You can choose which one you want. You could use Gemini, you could use ChatGPT, you could use Grok, you could use Claude, you could use, basically we use our own API keys and you get access to all the AIs. Okay. And then I have a one button push to go high level. You click a button and it goes right into go high level, just like that. And within 30 seconds, we'll pull up 1.6 million CIOs globally. And you get instant access to all their emails, their cell phone numbers, everything about them.
Ever wonder how I am connected to executives and entrepreneurs easily? It's all thanks to evyAI, an AI-powered sales assistant that lives right in my browser and on my phone. It helps me effortlessly build real relationships with top-tier prospects by automatically drafting personalized messages and insightful comments in my authentic voice using custom AI personas. It even saves and tracks key profiles so I can always stay top of mind with the right people. Ready to optimize your network? Learn more at evyAI.
How do you handle two distinct buyers in one profile? The answer is you don't try to serve both verticals in one profile simultaneously. You prioritize a primary vertical on the profile itself and then use evyAI's custom personas to handle the voice switching and the content layer. The fastest single lever for manufacturing executives is the carousel format. Your own LinkedIn plan cites 6.6% average engagement for carousels. That's the highest performing format on the platform. That's exactly right for your audience. Data dense, skimmable, visual. A CFO doesn't read a 600-word post. Yep. They're swiping through 7 slides. Here's how I would carve it out. Number 1 is delegate to evyAI, posting drafts, first draft only. Comment generation, 15-minute engagement blocks. About section, headline variants, follow-up message scaffolds. And then keep manual all the research, earnings transcript reading, the trade publication deep dives, the career history hooks. This is a replaceable part of your outreach. No tool automates this without degrading it. So I just put the link for the $29 version in the chat. Can you go ahead and share? Click on that right now and see if it says $29 a month. We're going to throw in LinkedIn 101. If you don't know the basics of LinkedIn, it's a training session.
I do. I've used LinkedIn and I've studied LinkedIn quite a bit.
Amazing.
I'm not a starter.
Amazing. So go ahead and click on that premium monthly thing and put in your email and go ahead and claim the deal. And I love helping people and making a difference for them, making their life so much easier. It's very exciting for me that I can do that. You know, like
Have you been a LinkedIn? Have you followed LinkedIn? Have you studied? LinkedIn?
For 10 years. I've been teaching LinkedIn. I've been teaching many people how to use LinkedIn for the past 10 years.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try evyAI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.